Question 1. What is microbial assay? Answer. To analyze the compound or substance that impact on microorganism. Question 2. What is the use of microbial assay? Answer. Option C, both A and B. To determine the potency of drug and controlling antimicrobial therapy. Question 3. Which of the following compound required for microbial assay? Option D, all. Antibiotic, vitamin and enzyme. Because antibiotic is an antimicrobial agent which inhibit the growth of microorganism, and vitamin and enzyme are essential for the growth, so it's required for microbial assay. Question 4. Which of the following methods are used for assay of antibiotic? Option C, both A and B. The cylindrical plate or cup method, or the turbidimetric or tube assay method is used for assay of antibiotic. Question 5. Which chemicals are used for preparation of buffer solution for antibiotic assay? Option C, both A and B. Dipotassium hydrogen phosphate and potassium dihydrogen phosphate are used for buffer solution of antibiotic. Question 6. Which microorganism is used for the assay of tetracycline antibiotic? Option A, Bacillus cereus is used for the assay of tetracycline antibiotic. Staphylococcus epidermis is used for gentamicin and neomycin. Micrococcus luteus is used for erythromycin assay, and Staphylococcus aureus is used for torbidomycin and tylosin assay. Question 7. What is inoculum? It is a culture media along with microbes which it is growing. Question 8. Which assay is used for detect inhibition of protein synthesis? Option A, urease assay. Question 9. Production of urease in media is indicated by option B, increase in pH. Question 10. Which assay is used for detect low amount of ATP in bacterial culture? Option A, luciferase assay. Luciferase is enzyme produce luciferin protein is produced by microorganism in the presence of ATP which give to bioluminescence. Question 11. Which drug is reduce the level of ATP? Answer, aminoglycosides is the drug which reduce the level of ATP. Question 12. Which of the following antibiotics is used for radioenzymatic assay? Option C, both A and B, and aminoglycosides and chloramphenicol is used for radioenzymatic assay. Question 30. Question 30. Which of the following vitamin is used for microbial assay? Option B, vitamin B12. Question 40. What is the name of vitamin B12? Option A, cyclocobamine. Question 15. Deficiency of vitamin B12 cause? Answer, macrolytic anemia and Purkinje anemia. Question 16. Which of the following method is used for vitamin B12 assay? Option C, both A and B. Turbidimetric method and titration method. 17. Which dye is used as an indicator in trimetric assay? Answer, bromothymol blue is used as an indicator in trimetric assay. Question 80. Which microorganism is used for vitamin B12 assay? Option A, Lactobacillus leishmani is a non-pathogenic bacteria isolated from dairy products. Question 90. In turbidimetric method, turbidity of solution measured at option C, 540 nanometer. 20. What is the name of vitamin B2? Option B, riboflavin. 21. Which microorganism is used for vitamin B2 assay? Option A, Lactobacillus casei. 22. Enzyme assay measure based on option C, both A and B, production of product and consumption of substrate. 23. What are types of enzyme assay? There are two types, continuous assay and discontinuous assay. Continuous assay, that means assay give continuous reading of activity, and discontinuous assay means sample taken, then reaction stop, and then concentration of substrate data measure is called discontinuous assay. 24. Which of the following are type of continuous assay? Option D, all. Spectrophotometric assay, calorimetric assay, and chemiluminescent assay. 25. Spectrophotometric assay is used for detection of option A, enzyme. Question 26. In which form of coenzyme NADH and NADPH absorb UV light? Option B, reduced form. 27. Which of the following properties are true above fluorescence method? Option D, all. Used for nucleotide enzyme like NADH and NADPH, sensitive than spectrophotometric method, and it is a non-dangerous. 28. Which of the following assay are used for measurement of heat release or absorbed by chemical reaction? Option B, calorimetric assay is used. 29. In chemiluminescent assay, light produced can be captured by answer, photographic film. 30. Some enzyme reaction produce light. This can be detected by which assay? Option C, chemiluminescent assay. 31. Which method is used for the study of oxidase and decarboxylase? Option A, manometric method. 32. Which of the following method are discontinuous assay method? Option C, both A and B, radiometric method and chromatographic method. 33. Which radioactive isotope is used in radiometric method? Option D, all. Carbon 40, phosphorus 32 and sulfur 35 is used as a radioactive isotope in radiometric method. 34. Which of the following are true about radiometric assay? Option D, both A and B. Measuring specific reaction of crude extract. Crude extract means enzyme produced is a mixture of enzyme produced when cell lyse, and radioactive measure by scintillation counter. Scintillation counter is an instrument for detection and measurement of ionizing radiation, and it do not use for antibiotic assay, is used for enzyme assay. 35. Chromatographic assay is used for answer, enzyme. 36. Which chromatography used for chromatographic assay? Answer, high performance liquid chromatography, HPLC.